When it comes to transforming your look, few beauty tricks are as powerful as applying false eyelashes. They can take your appearance from casual to glamorous in just a few minutes, enhancing your feminine appeal by adding depth, volume, and drama to your eyes. False eyelashes are one of the most effective tools for anyone looking to enhance their look. Whether you're aiming for a natural day-to-day appearance or a bold, dramatic evening style. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about choosing, applying, and caring for false eyelashes, with tips for making them look as natural as possible while ensuring your comfort. The first step in achieving the perfect feminine look with false eyelashes is to choose the right set for you. Not all false eyelashes are created equal, and there are several factors to consider when selecting the best pair. False eyelashes come in a wide range of styles, from natural-looking lashes that subtly enhance your eyes to dramatic, voluminous lashes that make a bold statement. When choosing your lashes, think about where you'll be wearing them. For daily wear, a more natural set of lashes may be the best option. These will add length and volume without appearing too over the top. On the other hand, if you're going out for an evening event or special occasion, you might want to choose thicker, more dramatic lashes to make your eyes pop. False eyelashes are typically made from one of three materials: synthetic fibers, mink, or silk. Each material has its own pros and cons, depending on your comfort level and preferences. Synthetic lashes. These are the most affordable option and are perfect for beginners. They're usually stiffer than mink or silk lashes, which can make them less comfortable, but they're durable and available in a wide range of styles. Mink lashes. Known for their soft, fluffy texture, mink lashes mimic the appearance of natural lashes better than synthetic options. They're lightweight and comfortable to wear, but can be expensive and often aren't cruelty-free. Silk lashes. Silk lashes strike a balance between mink and synthetic options. They're lighter and softer than synthetic lashes, offering more comfort, but they're still more affordable than mink. Plus, they often have a natural sheen that enhances the look of your eyes without appearing fake. False eyelashes come in various styles to suit different looks and experience levels. Strip lashes. These are the most common type of false lashes and come in a full band that you apply along your lash line. They're ideal for beginners and can provide instant volume and length. Individual lashes. For a more customized look, individual lashes are a great option. You can place them wherever you need extra volume or length, which allows for a more subtle and natural enhancement. Magnetic lashes. If you're not a fan of glue, magnetic lashes are a fantastic alternative. These lashes come with a magnetic strip that attaches to a corresponding magnetic liner, making application quick and easy. However, they require precise placement for the best results. Once you've selected your lashes, it's essential to trim them to fit your eyes properly. Not every pair of false lashes will be the perfect length straight out of the box, and wearing lashes that are too long for your eye shape can look unnatural and feel uncomfortable. Before applying your lashes, hold the strip up to your eye to see if they need to be trimmed. The lash strip should fit comfortably along your natural lash line, without extending beyond the outer corners of your eyes. Lashes that are too long can lift at the ends, which not only looks unnatural, but also increases the chances of the lashes peeling off later in the day. If the lashes are too long, use a pair of small scissors to carefully trim them to size. Always trim from the outer corner, as this ensures the inner lashes will remain shorter and more natural looking, mimicking the natural growth pattern of your lashes. Be sure to cut a little at a time. You can always trim more, but you can't add length back once it's gone. Save any pieces you trim off. You can use these shorter sections for layering, stacking, or applying them to the outer corners of your eyes for added drama and a cat eye effect. The right glue is key to keeping your false eyelashes securely in place throughout the day or night. There are different types of eyelash glue available, so it's important to choose the one that works best for you. Latex-based glue. This is the most common type of eyelash adhesive. It dries clear and holds lashes in place for hours. However, some people are allergic to latex, so if you have sensitive skin, you may want to opt for a latex-free alternative. Latex-free glue. Made for those with sensitive skin or latex allergies, latex-free glue is just as effective as its latex-based counterpart. It often dries clear or black and offers strong hold without irritation. Clear versus black glue. Clear glue dries invisible, making it ideal for those who are new to applying false eyelashes or who prefer a natural look. Black glue, on the other hand, is perfect for blending the lash band into a dark eyeliner look, adding extra definition and drama. Once you've selected your glue, the key is to apply a thin layer along the lash band. Avoid applying too much glue, as this can make application messy and cause the lashes to slip during placement. Focus on adding a little extra glue to the outer corners, as this area is prone to lifting. Allow the glue to dry for about 30 seconds or until it becomes tacky. This makes the lashes easier to position and helps them stick better to your lash line. Applying false eyelashes may seem daunting at first, but with a little practice, it becomes second nature. Here's how to master the application process. Before applying false lashes, it's a good idea to prep your natural lashes. Start by curling your lashes with an eyelash curler, which helps your natural lashes blend better with the false ones. Next, apply a light coat of mascara to add volume and give the false lashes a base to rest on. When applying your false lashes, it's important to be precise. Use tweezers or an eyelash applicator to position the lashes along your natural lash line. Start by placing the strip in the center of your lash line, then press down the inner and outer corners. Ensure that the lashes are sitting as close to your natural lash line as possible for the most seamless look. If you accidentally place the lashes too far up or down, gently lift the strip and reposition it before the glue fully dries. Once the lashes are in place, you can blend them with your natural lashes by applying another light coat of mascara. This will help to marry your natural and false lashes together, creating a unified, voluminous look. If there are any gaps along the lash line, use a bit of eyeliner to fill them in and further blend the false lashes into your makeup. For an instant eye lift, slightly angle the outer corners of the lashes upward when applying them. This technique can make your eyes appear larger and more lifted, adding a subtle but noticeable enhancement to your look. Proper care and storage of your false eyelashes will ensure you get the most out of them. With the right maintenance, a high-quality pair of lashes can be worn multiple times, saving you money and effort in the long run. At the end of the day, carefully remove your false lashes by gently peeling them off from the outer corner. Avoid pulling on your natural lashes, as this can cause damage. If the glue is stubborn, use a bit of makeup remover on a cotton swab to loosen the adhesive. After removing your lashes, it's important to clean them before storing them. Use a cotton swab dipped in makeup remover to gently clean off any excess glue and makeup residue from the lash band. Be careful not to saturate the lashes with remover, as this can damage their shape and longevity. Store your lashes in their original packaging, or a dedicated lash case to keep them safe and maintain their shape. Avoid leaving them loose in a drawer or makeup bag, as they can become bent or damaged. To further extend the life of your lashes, avoid getting them wet and never sleep with them on. This helps preserve their shape and cleanliness, ensuring they look great for multiple wears. To make the most of your false eyelashes and ensure they look natural while lasting as long as possible, here are a few extra tips. High-quality false eyelashes can be reused up to 10-15 times if properly cared for. Be gentle when removing and cleaning them, and always store them in their original packaging to keep them in top condition. To make your lashes look even more natural, apply a touch of eyeshadow along the lash line to hide the lash band. This works especially well with strip lashes, helping to create a seamless transition between your natural and false lashes. Like anything, applying false eyelashes takes practice. Don't be discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. The more you apply them, the quicker and easier the process will become, and soon you'll be able to apply them with confidence and ease. False eyelashes are an incredible beauty tool that can instantly enhance your feminine appearance, giving you the confidence to express yourself fully. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, following the right techniques and care tips will help you achieve a flawless look every time. With the right lashes, glue, and application method, you'll be able to create stunning, long-lasting results that elevate your look to new heights. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.